Welcome folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Dib, and today we're going to show you this 2020 Vita. It's a Mercedes chassis. It's a diesel Sprinter chassis built by Winnebago. Pretty neat coach here. Come on in here, let me show you a couple of features inside. Yeah, it's a very welcoming coach, by the way. You got the hide bed on top, of course, and then you got the seats at the bottom here, driver and passenger, you know, they swivel so you can visit. A nice screen right there for your backup camera, as you can see, and this one is very equipped. Dinette right there that turns into a bed. We got storage up here, pretty deep ones. I like that feature. So as we go through, we got more storage. Of course, you got, this can be a pantry or can be a closet. It's really set up for that too. So as we come in here, look at that. Nice fridge. You can see what's up here, what's going on with it. It got the outside sink, a bigger sink, but it's outside. And then you got your bathroom. Look at that. Shower, enclosed shower with a fan on top, you know, sky light up there. Pretty cool. And it is a corner bed, by the way. Look at that. Corner bed, you might like. And here we go, more storage, or again, it could be a closet. We got the microwave. We got the stove here. 3-burner, pretty cool. Come around, look at that, very deep, nice storage for this. Nice TV right there, flat screen. There's more stuff outside. Let me show you again. Come on in. Come on in. Nice, really nice power awning with LED lights on this coach. Storage, if you're thinking about storage here, look at this, folks. That's storage. That's what the corner bed gives you, really. Nice storage. And then as you go around the coach, the ladder right here, that means, you know, you can go up there, check for debris, you know, see what's up. Backup camera, of course, really nice. Tow package. You can tow up to 5,000 pounds. And this is our slide out. That's the slide out for the dinette when we were in there. So, and the toppers for the awning, for the slide out is right there. So that saves you lots of money, you know, in maintenance. There's a lot of information available. Please give me a call at 541-515-1237. Thank you.